Hello Eric DIY fans. Today we are having another review and we're reviewing the Epicka Mini Smart Plug. So the Epicka Mini Smart Plug basically works through your Wi-Fi in your home. It also connects to an app on your smartphone. And not only that, it also supports Amazon Alexa if you have one of those. And we happen to have one of those, so we're going to show you all the options on this smart plug. So we plugged in the Epicka Mini Smart Plug into the wall, and as you can see it has an indicator light on the left. We'll talk about what that is in a second. But we have it connected up to Zachary's lamp right here. So that's what we're going to demonstrate this on. So after plugging in the Mini Smart Plug, you will have to download an app on your phone called the Jinvoo Smart app. Once you run the Jinvoo Smart app, it will ask to add a device. You push Add Device. And then it says long press the reset button of the equipment until the Wi-Fi indicator light is quickly flashing. So we're going to go to the side, because there's a button on the side here. We're going to hold it down until the light changes to a quick flash, which is right there, purple and red. And it says next step. We have to hit the Wi-Fi that it's on, and then the device is going to be connecting. And then it will show that it has a Wi-Fi plug there and that it's connected. So you push done, and now you have a master on and off switch. The socket's on right now, so we're going to show you how this works with just the app. So as you can see, we have Zach's lamp plugged into the Mini Smart Plug, and basically on the app it has a power on and off switch. That on and off switch is right here, and we just push it to turn the device that's plugged into the Mini Smart Plug off. And instantly it turns off. And then if we want to turn it back on, we just push that power button again and it turns it back on. Again, off, on. So that's one way that you can control that. You could also have a countdown. We'll turn it off after a certain time. You can put it on a timer, or you could just use the switch like normal. So that's how the Jinvoo Smart app is used with the Epicka Mini Smart Plug. Zach, are you going to show us how this works with Alexa? But first we have to show people how to set it up with Alexa, right? Alright, so we'll do that first. In order to set up the Epicka Mini Smart Plug with Alexa, we actually have to go to the Alexa app, and then we're going to click on this 3-menu thing. Then we're going to click the skills button. When you get to the skills menu of the Amazon Alexa app, you're going to type in Jinvoo Smart, and then you'll hit Jinvoo Smart, and you will enable the skill. I already have the skill set up from before, but you would enable it, and then you go to settings, and you'll have your account from the Jinvoo Smart app linked up to this. To turn on the light in the Jinvoo Smart app, it'll tell you what it's called. It's called Wi-Fi plug. You could change that name to whatever you want it to be. You can modify the device name. Zach's going to demonstrate how to use Alexa with the Epicka Mini Smart Plug to turn it on and off after you configure it like I've shown you. Zach, you want to say it?
Alexa, turn Wi-Fi plug on. Okay.
And as you can see, the light turned on. Now Zach's going to show us how it turns off with Alexa.
Alexa, turn Wi-Fi plug off.
Okay.
And as you can see, it has turned on and off whatever device is connected to the Epicka Smart Plug outlet. Obviously, lamps are an easy way to do this, and through the Jinvoo Smart app, basically you can do a bunch of different things with this outlet. It's an excellent outlet. You could have multiple things hooked up to one outlet if you just use a power strip. So overall, this is just an easy to configure, great way of having a smart plug in your house. And again, with just the Alexa capability, makes it even better. Zach, do you think that this mini outlet's pretty cool?
Yep.
And that you love talking to Alexa with it, right?
Yep.
Alright, we might not use it for your lamp, but we'll use it for something else, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but could we use it if we ever wanted to turn your lamp on and off?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a great buy. If you'd like to purchase the Epicka Mini Smart Plug, please look at the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can buy your very own. You'll also be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We'd like to say thank you for your time, thanks for viewing, and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed,
Please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.